Looking to replace your Ford vehicle's antenna without hassle? Whether you drive a classic or a newer model, the universal replacement antenna fits select Ford vehicles from 1965 up, offering a straightforward upgrade that keeps you connected and looking sharp. I recently installed the antenna on my 1979 Ford, and the difference was clear right away. The fit was perfect, matching the original design exactly, so it didn't look out of place. Installation was a breeze, no complicated tools or extra parts needed. Plus, the build quality feels solid, made to last through years of driving and weather. What sets this antenna apart is its universal compatibility with both oval and rectangular bases, covering a wide range of Ford models. It's designed to fit a standard 1-inch hole, making it a convenient swap for many vehicles. Beyond functionality, it also features bright LEDs that enhance visibility, adding a subtle but noticeable safety boost on the road. If you want an antenna that's reliable, easy to install, and looks like it belongs on your Ford, this replacement option is worth a look. It arrives promptly and performs as expected, so you won't be left waiting or guessing about quality. Ready to upgrade your Ford's antenna with a product that delivers on fit, function, and style? Try this universal replacement antenna when you're ready to enjoy clearer reception and improved visibility on every drive.